Hello everyone, and welcome to this mini webinar on online math teacher education programs. I will probably be walking around right now to see how you're doing logging on and getting onto this Adobe Connect site. For now, however, I would greatly appreciate it if you could please mute your microphone. If you look by your name underneath the attendees box, there should be a little button on the left side of your name that will allow you to mute it. And if you could do that, that'd be great so that we can minimize static. Additionally, if you could also enable your webcam, so that would be this button up here. It's a little web camera. It's in between the person and the microphone. If you click down, you can actually select your camera integrated webcam and turn that on. This way we can see everyone's lovely faces. If your technology is not cooperating, please feel free to sit next to one of the classmates here with a working webcam and then just share that space. Online courses generally take a couple minutes for everybody to get on the same page. So we'll start momentarily. While you're waiting, please feel free to check out the chat box, the little icons up here where you can raise your hand, agree, disagree, show signs of laughter, applause, just gestures to allow us to have that nonverbal emotion expressed. And I guess I will start really soon. Thank you for listening.